Julie here. Good morning. I am recording this on a Sunday morning. Not sure what you are doing, but I am getting ready to go to church. And I decided I was going to try some new eyeshadow colors today because it's so fun to have so many choices. I tend to default to the same 2 or 3, and maybe you do too. But maybe sometimes you want to get out of the box and do something different. So I've already got my mascara on, and I have a tendency lately to put my mascara on before my eyeshadow because I just get, I don't know, maybe it's because I open my eyes too wide or whatever, but I just always get mascara all over my eyelids. So I've got my mascara on, and I recently talked about my new favorite mascara from Thrive Cosmetics. This is called Liquid Lash Extensions. I've got it on in black because I am a cool winter and I need the black. So anyway, I've got my top eyelashes already done. I'm going to start today with a color called Pup. And you can use, I have just a good blender brush. I've had it for years and years from my former company, Beauty Control. And I'm gonna put this all over. Now, one of the things I love about the makeup, the eyeshadows from Seint is they're so highly pigmented. Look at that, so beautiful. So this one's called Pup. It's a really good neutral color. And then I'm going to go for something a little different today. I haven't done this before, so you're my tests here. But I'm gonna take the same blender brush and lightly dab into this color called Junior Prom. And it's kind of a bluish gray. It's got just a hint of silver in it. I'm going over my lid and up slightly into my brow bone. Oh, it's pretty. It's really pretty. And then I'm going to take this color called Denim, and I'm going to use this, let me use this line brush by Seint, and I'm going to lightly tap it in. Now, if you want to, what you can do is you can wet your, let me do that actually. If you like, you can, just use a little bit of water and dip it first and get it damp. And then I'm gonna just do it lightly, about halfway under my eye. And then today, let's go for it. I'm gonna go above. And I always tell my clients, especially as we age, depending on the age that you are, to have it be a smudged line, okay? So I'm going like way subtle because a little bit more in the corner, okay? And then I would add some mascara on the bottom. Let's do that, just a little. And I could be done. That's pretty. It's pretty, I really like it. If you wanted to add a little more drama, you could take that dark, and I have a really good, just a really round blending corner brush that I use from MAC. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna play up that outer corner because I wear glasses, okay? So, all right, let me finish the other side. So I'm matching, I'll do this a little bit faster, all right? I'm using Pup on my lid, all the way up to my brow. Then I'm going to use that same brush, put a little bit of Junior Prom onto my lid. I'm really liking this. I'm really liking this. All right, and then I'm gonna use Denim halfway underneath, And then up on the top lightly. And then use my MAC brush. I've had this brush for probably 8 years. 8 years. Okay, a little bit of mascara. Pretty different look today. I'm really liking it. So 3 shadows. If you wanted to, you could add another color that we have called, what's it called? Sabrina. Take your little pinky finger, add just a little bit of shimmer right here. Adds a little more drama to it. So anyway, I'm all ready to go to church. Everything else is done. Hope you enjoyed the look. I'll post the colors again in the link, and have a great day.